Hi there, I'm Poppy, and I'm here to teach you about the letter L. Let's go. This is the letter L. Hey, let's learn the sound the letter L makes. To make the letter L sound, you'll hold your tongue behind your top front teeth and blow air out around your tongue, like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Can you try it? Go on. Excellent. Now let's look at some words that start with the letter L sound. Lamb, Lego, lemon, lion, lobster. Those words all start with the letter L sound. Can you say those words with me this time? Lamb, Lego, lemon, lion, lobster. Nice work. Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word, and you get to tell me if that word starts with the letter L sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word lamp, lamp, and then ask you if it starts with the letter L sound, you would say, yep, it sure does. But if I were to say the word dinosaur, dinosaur, and then ask you if it starts with the letter L sound, you would say, nope, dinosaur does not start with the letter L sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Ladybug. Does ladybug start with the letter L sound? Yep, it sure does. Now for your second word. Lollipop. Does lollipop start with the letter L sound? Yes, lollipop does start with the letter L sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word. Butterfly. Does butterfly start with the letter L sound? Nope, butterfly does not start with the letter L sound. Great job, guys! Thanks so much for joining me today to learn about the letter L sound. See you later!